I have 3 crypto debit/credit cards now, and I've learned a lot from them, both good and bad. I want to share my thoughts on the latest one I got, which is the Gemini credit card, and as a bonus, share another credit card, which isn't a crypto one, but I'm earning more crypto on it than I am with this one. The Gemini credit card I've had for over 3 months, and I've used it for most of my purchases lately. Basically, it offers 3% back on dining/fast food, 2% on groceries, and 1% on everything else. The cool part about this is you can select which crypto you want for your rewards. So I've had mine set on Bitcoin the whole time because I feel like it's the safest one for the long term, so I feel like it's best to always accumulate more of it. One of the nice things about this card is you can change a reward at any time and pick between 65 cryptos. Yes, I counted them all. This includes a big variety of coins that include large caps and even some risky low caps and stable coins if you want the cash back. The reason I chose Bitcoin is because I started using this when Bitcoin was at $40,000, and even though now it's at $21,000, it took a lot less of a hit as some of these altcoins. And I also feel like that it'll outperform altcoins in the next 3 to 6 months, and it'll be a great time to be holding some Bitcoin. It's also a good idea to have 50% of your portfolio made up of Bitcoin and Ethereum. Now, what to expect with the card? When I signed up for the Gemini credit card, I had already looked into the BlockFi one as well, but decided to go with the Gemini credit card after hearing my buddy get one with a $11,000 credit limit. So I signed up for mine shortly after, and I got approved for a $10,000 limit and went with the rose gold option. Once I was approved, I can instantly start to use the virtual card while I waited for my physical card. Crypto.com is known for taking a while to get your physical card, but in my experience with the Gemini card, it only took about 5 to 6 days to get it in the mail, which was a huge plus. One of the cool things I didn't expect with the physical card is that it's actually metal like the Crypto.com cards. And another cool thing is it doesn't have the card number on the actual card. It's only through the app, so it's like a nice thing for security purposes. So why should you consider getting one of these crypto cards? These crypto debit and credit cards are one of the ways that people can accumulate crypto over time with their normal spending. Some people that don't want to actually invest in crypto but want to own some just in case it takes off, like some say it will, can use these to invest for them. This is the perfect way for them to invest with these cashback rewards. It helps you build a crypto portfolio that averages out the inevitable ups and downs in crypto prices. When we are dollar cost averaging into the market, I know I tend to buy quickly when I see a dip where it could go down more, and by being extra patient, I could have bought at a better time. So this is a way to build wealth by investing in smaller increments over time instead of a large sum all at once. One important thing is that with a 3% back on dining is that it caps out $6,000 per year, and then it goes to 1% after that. So basically you'd have to spend $500 worth a month for going to restaurants or fast food. And for me, that's more than plenty. And I'm sure a lot of you, it's plenty. And then groceries, 2% back includes grocery stores and markets, but not wholesale stores such as Costco or Sam's Club or places that sell in bulk. So one of my favorite parts of this is the staking rewards that you can actually earn on the app. So you can actually stake all these different coins, and I'm staking the Bitcoin that I'm earning for 2.75%. So you can see I've earned about $100 worth of Bitcoin, and it's earning 2.75%. So I think I've earned about 37 cents, and essentially that 3% is earning me about 20 to 30 cents per month on additional Bitcoin. Now this 2.75% is actually pretty good considering what has happened to most platforms where you can stake or the rewards getting slashed. It actually was around 1%, 1 to 2% just a short while ago, and they've actually increased it a little bit. And then they have other options of 7% on their stablecoin, the Gemini dollar, 8% on other coins, and 6% on USDC, 5% on Polygon, and all the way down to 1% on a bunch of other coins. And I'd rather stick with big coins like Bitcoin and Ethereum when it comes to these rewards for staking, and only stake for about 1 to 3% because I feel like it's a much safer route. Credit cards are a great asset if you're responsible and keep track of your spending. Like other credit cards, they can earn airline points, hotel points, or cash back. This is a way to earn cash back that has potential to increase over time. Instead of earning 1, 2, or 3% cash back, when Bitcoin is at 20K, when it's at 100K, it'll be like you earn 5, 10, and 15% back instead. This should be treated as a long-term investment that can build over time and actually multiply your rewards. So when is the best time to use crypto cards? The best time to be using these crypto cards is during the bear market and when the prices are down and there isn't as much interest in the markets. It's interesting because as we enter a bear market, people aren't very interested in watching crypto content or trading and keep learning more about the markets versus during a bull market, when it's super popular and everyone wants to learn about the markets. Now, I definitely understand because the last bear market I spent over about a year not really checking the markets and watching videos because it was hard to see my portfolio be down in USD so much. Once I changed that mindset and stopped letting my emotions control me, I started to take advantage of the bear market and got into some really good projects early, such as Sandbox, and started learning how to trade and make money during the bear market. While the markets are down and not doing as much movement, this is the time to really study charts and data, learn how to trade, create your own plans and strategies to make more crypto, find new projects and good projects that are just starting. There's so many things that you could be doing during these times that the markets are down to really increase the amount that you'll make the next time we're bullish. And you can incorporate using these credit cards to grow the portfolio alongside trading, staking, and other plans that you make during these times. Now, the other card that I'm using isn't a crypto card, but I'm earning more crypto, is actually the Venmo credit card. I got an email about a month ago saying earn double rewards with the Venmo credit card for the first 6 months if you sign up before September 30th. So I immediately signed up because it was 6% back on groceries instead of 3%, 4% back on dining instead of 2%, and 2% back on everything else instead of 1%. Now, something that I didn't realize that you could do with this card right away when I signed up is you can actually set your rewards to purchase crypto. So once your statement ends, I set mine to buy Bitcoin and it'll buy it once the statement ends each month. So it's basically like twice the rewards I'd receive with the Gemini credit card. The downside is you don't get the rewards right away after each purchase like the Gemini card. So let's say in a month, Bitcoin goes up 20% and then my statement ends and it buys Bitcoin at that time. You could have gotten a better average probably using the other card by it purchasing right away on each purchase. But you can also say the same thing in the opposite way. If Bitcoin went down 20% before the statement ends, you get a lot better average for your buys. Crypto cards are such a great way to build up your portfolio during this bear market and accumulate more large caps like Bitcoin and Ethereum. If you found this video helpful, check out my video on the other ways to make money during the bear market. Thanks for watching, and remember, as always, keep it in the green.